But in this particular pricing itself, you got the landscaper's door on the side, pocketed on the back. You're going to have expanded. Each one of these sides is removable. Overhead, that 42-inch is also removable. We can get this on the gas engine, standard cab, or as you see here, the crew cab.
Key features on the landscape, because there's a lot of duplicity here in the respect it has 8.6 ton power up, power down, electric or hydraulic hoist, is that these gates come around and latch 270 degrees. So they get out of the way when you're dumping debris, because they're long enough and tall enough, and I'll show you right here. Come here. By the way, we don't depend on this one to hold that one shut. That one actually latches independent. We do have an overlap to keep the product in. But if they had this hanging in the breeze and you put it up to 50 degrees, you very well could torque it right there. So that's why the latches are on each side. Now in this particular case, because the 50-inch door up there is open, it's occupying the latch at the moment. And that is a really handy thing to have a landscape body. So you could have debris and crap in here. You could end up loading product in through that opening. There's a flex steps over there with a grab handle. Easy to get in, easy to get out. This has a full cab protector. You can see where the tarp holes are already pre-done on this one, like they would be done on the dump. And that has 4 D-rings up there on that cab protector. Typically, you put wheelbarrows up there, or you can put bags of mulch or product up there and put a net over it and keep it in place. So very, again, very versatile, multiple application type product. This was a municipality. They may end up in the wintertime or something, I don't think down here, but someplace else, pulling the sides off and using it as a flatbed, put a salt spreader on there or a chlorine tank or whatever they need to do, right? So again, multifunctional, fantastic payload.
Again, partnerships are important. We look forward to being your partner. Reach out to me. I look forward to working with you. Again, it's Mike Olden. You can reach me at 423-618-3323 or shoot me an email, molden@lee-smith.com. Thank you.